Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken thighs using an easy method. First, let's get started with preparation. Begin by patting your chicken thighs completely dry with paper towels. This is key for achieving that wonderfully crispy skin. Next, season them generously on both sides with salt, pepper, and any other spices you love. Finally, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius so it's ready for roasting. Now let's get that amazing crispy skin. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place your seasoned chicken thighs, skin side down, into the hot skillet. Let them sear undisturbed for about 5 to 7 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful, golden brown and wonderfully crispy skin. This step locks in flavor and texture. Once the skin is perfectly seared, it's time for the oven. Flip the chicken thighs over so the skin side is now facing up. Carefully transfer the entire oven-safe skillet directly into your preheated oven. Roast them for 15 to 20 minutes, or until an instant-read thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh registers 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures they are thoroughly cooked and juicy. Almost ready to enjoy. Once your chicken thighs are cooked through, remove the skillet from the oven. It's crucial to let them rest for at least 5 minutes on a cutting board or plate. This resting period allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in incredibly tender and flavorful chicken. Then, simply serve your perfectly cooked, easy chicken thighs with your favorite side dishes and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.